Peace, love, and light, family. SEK the Homesteader. All right, family. This is my number 3 harvest of squash and zucchini. Okay, family. I wasn't able to get out here the first thing this morning to harvest before that 90-degree heat came in because I was having issues with my heating and cooling unit. So I had to get the AC man out here first thing this morning because the house was burning up, and the house was burning up due to ants getting into the electrical box and gnawing on the wires. I had the same problem last year, so I really have to make a conscious effort to get out here with my grass seeder, but put some ant repellents in it, and kind of like, you know how you do your grass seeder, I mean for your grass, that little green little thing that you got to push up and down in rows and stuff. So I need to do that with some ant repellent because I had the same issue last year of the ants gnawing on my wires in the electrical box. So I could not do this harvest first thing this morning with some cool air. So you guys, I had to run from side to side again because, again, you know how the squash likes to hide, especially the green squash. You can spot the yellows, but especially the green. But the yellows tend to hide too because you got the yellow flowers. So I had to go back and forth, sweating. It's very hot. The sun is at its highest heat point today, whatever they call that, but it's hot. So I wasn't able to film while I was harvesting, but this is my third harvest for the month of June with squash and zucchini. I hope everybody's doing well and being safe. And this is SEK, and I will bring you guys a video on how I will be processing my squash. I usually do a mean zucchini bread. I will be doing some bread because I have a bread maker that I really love, and all you have to do is just throw the ingredients in it and it just do the kneading for you. I just love it. So I will definitely be doing that. Also, I will be doing some freezing methods of zucchini. I'm probably going to try the blanching process and the non-blanching process. I've seen people do the non-blanching process because some people say, oh, it's just too many steps. So I probably will do that because I am back to work. I'm glad to be back in my salon again. Clients haven't began to come in like, you know, they used to, but I'm cool with that. But it's good to be back in my salon. So I'm not at home as much as I was when we were on lockdown. So that's another reason why I will be away and probably not producing as many videos as I possibly can. But I will still be definitely shooting some out. So this is the plan. I will try some freezing methods, some blanching methods, some what they call it, water bath canning methods as well. I definitely know I got my work cut out when it comes to the canning because, again, I don't have a lot of freezer space left. So I will be doing lots and lots of canning. All right, family. So this is SEK, the Homesteader, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.